Today we're talking to Sarah Dyke, a partner in the banking and finance department at Dentons. Hello Sarah, thanks for talking to us today. You've just taken part in a great panel discussion on law firms as businesses and the whole area of commerce as a subject matter that applicants need to be aware of. A lot of candidates think that commercial awareness is just purely about understanding the client's commercial concerns, which of course is absolutely crucial. But to what extent do they also need to understand the law firm as a commercial entity in itself, as a business?
I think that's vital. Law firms have become much more corporate over the last 15 years. We have to operate as a successful business now. So there is a lot more internal pressure on meeting targets, on billings. So everyone in a law firm is now focused a lot more on the business. And as a trainee, obviously law firms will try to accommodate what trainees want. For example, at our firm we have a quarterly forum for our trainees, so we listen to issues that they have or points that they want to raise, and we try as far as possible to address those concerns. What we also though have to do, and which we always tell them, is that they have to be in line with the business needs, and the business needs have to come first. So if we've got trainee sort of wants that are totally opposed to business needs, it just doesn't work. So for a trainee to understand how business works, then that is vital for them.
Finally, obviously trainees when they first start out are not necessarily going to be the commercial experts and trusted advisors that corporate partners are.
Yeah.
But at Dentons, for example, your firm, how early on in their training do you introduce trainees to clients, and what level of commercial competence do you expect them to have when they've actually attained a training contract and you're taking them to a pitch or sitting down with them in their first client meeting?
Yeah, we try to get them involved in client contact with the other side as soon as possible. So as a trainee, you will be talking to the client, you will be talking to the other side. But we don't expect you to know everything when you start, because the whole point of a training contract is that you have 2 years to learn all of these skills. And actually your whole career is learning, developing, honing those skills. We certainly don't expect you to be the finished product when you start. And also different firms have different ways of doing things, so we want to teach you the way that the Dentons does things, rather than for you to have to start and not necessarily be the right type of attitude that you have, or the way that you conduct yourself.
Okay, thanks very much. Brilliant advice, Sarah Dyke. Thank you very much for talking to us today.
Thanks. Josh.